Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing an updated review, finger swatch, and brush swatch, and 4 different looks on the Ofra Cosmetics signature eyeshadow set in the option Exquisite Eyes. They do have 2 other kind of sets. One is called Radiant Eyes, which I do have, so if you want to see that, go ahead and comment down below. Or they also have the Irresistible Smoky, which I have not tried out yet. But this is the Exquisite Eyes. It comes with 5 eyeshadows for $25. They have 5 different eyeshadows in this palette, and one is the Golden Sheen Peachy shade, which is this one here. It's described as a warm peach with a slight golden sheen. Then we have the Syrup shade, which is the Golden Amber with a metallic finish. In my opinion, it's very coppery and warm and reminds me of a perfect fall kind of shade. And then we have the Victory shade, which is an ultra pigmented taupe brown with a metallic finish. It's definitely beautiful and I love it a lot out of the eyeshadows. Then we have this shade, which is called Millennium Bark, which is a cool tone deep brown with a satin finish. I originally thought that it was a matte shade, so I wanted to swatch the matte shades with a brush. So that was that shade, and this is Raisin, which is another perfect fall shade, and it is described as a warm red brown with a slight sheen. So in my opinion, this eyeshadow palette is definitely a great fall eyeshadow palette. Here's my first look. I used all of these shades. I have the kind of golden color all over my lid. I have the rusty color in my transition. Then I also have Millennium Bark to create depth on the outer V's, and also that lightest shade in the inner corners of my eyes. The second look I have is my Smokey Look. And don't judge me because I like to play with eyeshadows, and I used the kind of metallic finish as a transition just because I wanted to see what it would look like, and I think in my opinion it turned out pretty good. I would originally use it as an eyeshadow kind of lid color, but I just wanted to see what it looks like, and this is how the smoky eye looked with the 2 darker shades, which one was metallic and one is the satin finish, the Millennium Bark. But this is my smoky eye that I created with the Exquisite palette, and I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? So next, my third look is going to be just the kind of lighter metallic shades and another fall look, which is this one here. Super simple. I didn't really want to use any darker shades that much because I have a small kind of wing liner, and I just used my fingers to apply this look, and I just used the peachy shade and the rusty kind of metallic shade, which is called Victory, actually Syrup. And this is what this look ended up like, which I was really happy with as well. And then my last look is my rusty kind of fall look, which is the Raisin kind of rusty slight sheen red brown shade, and I just used that in the transition and all over my lid, and then topped the middle part of my eyelid with peach. And that is my video, guys. Hope it helped you out. Hope you enjoyed all of the looks that I created with this palette, and I will link down the other original video I posted with this palette if you guys want to go ahead and look at that, just so you can see how much I've improved as a YouTuber. And yeah, that was my video, guys. Hope you liked it, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys!